of Mr. Coder, and in this video we're going to set up a proper environment for learning hacking. So for that you just need to download a few things. So first for hacking you need Kali Linux. So to install all that on your device you must need VirtualBox, which you can install that. So for installing you just have to download the VirtualBox version of Kali Linux. So just type in Kali Linux VirtualBox and you will automatically find many of those. I recommend this one, and you can also get it from the link in description. Just go here and choose the VirtualBox images and choose any one of these according to your PC 64-bit or 32-bit version. Anyone, then you just have to click on it and it will start installing. Once installed, they will appear like this. It will appear like this right here. It depends on your PC. So after installing, just click on it and it will open your VirtualBox. Now as you can see, now you can adjust the name whatever you want, like anything you want to name it, and it will automatically set it on your VirtualBox. Now you just have to import it and agree this. So once installing, just let VirtualBox import it and follow the steps. You can see once you completely installed it, it will appear like this. I've already installed it. So now you just have to go to the settings. Don't run it right now. Just wait for it. So as you can see, just set it up according to you, and then just go to networks and make an internal network. You can name it anything you want, like anything which you would like to name it, and we will make an internal network. We don't want it to communicate with anything or be online. We just want it to be internal inside a PC, isolated without another vulnerable machine from which we are going to learn. So you will get that vulnerable machine on Vulnerable. Link in description. You can download it from there, or you can just type in Vulnerable on your browser and it will open. Just have to install it on the VirtualBox as we did in the last one. As you can see, it's like that one only, that one only like the Linux one. So just set it up like that, and then once installed both of the things in the VirtualBox, they will appear like this. Let me open our VirtualBox. It's done. So as you can see, it will appear like this. So just make sure we don't want it to communicate with the other like online world. We just want both of them isolated on an internal network inside this laptop or your PC. We just want them to communicate with each other as two devices. So we will give them the we will connect them on internal network and create a DHCP server and give both of them IPs so that we can hack them through learn hacking from them through the IP. So this is our OS and it's our holdable machine. So once you install both of them, we have already set it on a internal network. The same way uh, give we will make it also on the same network which we saw on that one. Just go to networks, go to settings and networks, and I've already set it on our internal network. So once you've set it on internal network, just do as you see on the screen in your terminal window. Just open a terminal and type in the same as you can see. Now, as you can see, it's open. So let's just start it and give it a normal start. Choose the rates of RAM would be suitable. So as you can see, it's starting. It's booting. So as you can see, it's starting. Linux. So once it started, the the default username and password are the same, KALI, and just log in it, KALI. Okay, so the default username and password was same, KALI, Kali. So once you've got into it, you can see, so it's completely internal. As so we've given it internal network, so let's check if it's correct. So as you can see, it's exactly what we expected. So the one which we gave to our another machine should be 10.38.1.111. So let's turn that also on. So start, give it also a normal start, and it won't take a lot of time in starting up. Okay, so as you can see, it's completely started, and we don't know the password. If we type anything in and just enter, it will not open. So our task is to just get into it. So you can also get to more vulnerable devices and learn hacking on them from Vulnhub. So I'm not going to show you how you can hack this. You just have to learn it on your own, or you can see walkthroughs. I will also make a walkthrough on it soon. Till that, you can try this. So just for making sure, let me show you the IP address we have given to it. So the IP address in this is just, we have to go to the web browser. So the IP address we've given to it would be definitely the one. Just paste. It's of the same device. We have to go on this one. So the one we thought of it was. Just go ahead. So as we expected, we will go there. So if we stand, it would be one. Let's go ahead, and as you can see, it's starting. It's so much like Mr. Robot. So we've got into it, and from this you have to learn and hack into it. Walkthrough of Mr. Robot, vulnerable machine coming soon. Till then, just try it, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Mr. Coder. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.